So, let's just talk about how come you're unhappy today, Nicole?
Because you're shining that bright light in my eyes.
Okay, here. Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
No, hold on. We have to talk. Can we talk for a second? I'm really, really nice too, and I kiss you and love you all the time, and
oh,
I know...
No, you don't.
I do.
No,
okay.
Not lately.
A lot of times I do.
No,
and you're really nice.
Every day.
But you're really nice to me. Let me take a nap, which was really nice. Last 2 days I know I have not been very happy, but I have been helping out around the house, and I've been trying to really work on the girls. So why are you unhappy with me?
Because you don't show me your love anymore.
Well, take your clothes off.
Well, I got to the shower.
Oh, no, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
You don't have to take a shower. It's not going to be like I'm, going to eat you for hours or anything.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, what a bitch. Did you catch that, everybody?
Yeah. Turn that off.
Yeah, I know that.